Hi everyone, today I come with another video that is continuing my previous video of regression coefficient. Okay, you check out that first one and then obviously continue with this. So before going to this topic, I want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed my channel, and obviously I request you, if this channel is helpful to you, then obviously share with your friends. Okay, this is the regression part 2, you can say, because before this problem sums, I already have explained what is the regression, and regression related sum also explained in that video. Okay, that was the first sum related to the regression coefficient. Okay, and obviously all the formulas are also I explained there, so you check out that one. And this is the continuing part of the regression coefficient, and here the problem is find correlation coefficient in the following case. Okay, so here one formula you have to memorize. One is the byx is this one and bxy is this one. In that case, r equals to summation of sigma x into summation of sigma y divided by n summation of sigma x into summation of sigma y. Not summation here, only sigma x and sigma y. Okay, so again I repeat, sorry. Okay, so as byx equals to this and bxy equals to this, then r equals to root over of byx and into bxy, or another case r equals to summation of sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma x sigma y. Clear? So here the problem is like that. Find correlation coefficient in the following case, where byx equals to 0.4 and bxy equals to 0.9, and you all know correlation coefficient means we have to calculate r value. Clear? So here is byx and bxy, so easy and simple formula, that is root over of byx into bxy. So you just put the values 0.4 into 0.9, so 36 and 0.36. So answer is plus minus 0.6. Clear? So it is the process by which the r value is calculated. Okay. In the second sum, the this is the third sum. Find regression coefficients byx and bxy of y on x on y respectively, and the SD means standard deviation of x and y are 4 and 3 respectively, and this is respectively, and correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.8. Okay, so regression coefficient value we have to calculate. Okay, so what is the bxy? Bxy equals to r into bxy is this one, sigma x by sigma y. So here r is what? R is 0.8 and sigma x, that is 4, and sigma y, that is 3. Okay, so value is 1.066 or 1.067 approx. Clear? And byx, that is equals to r into sigma y divided by sigma x. So r is 0.8 and sigma y is 3 and sigma x is 4. So value is what? That is 0.6. Okay. these are the methods by which we calculate the bxy and byx. Okay, so these are the actual process by which it is possible to calculate the bxy value and byx value. If there is the sigma x means standard deviation, sigma y all present and r value obviously present, so it is very possible to calculate or very easy to calculate the bxy value and byx value. Okay, so another problems now we will learn. Okay, so this is another sum where what are there? The correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.60, and if the variance of x is 2 to 5 and the variance of y is 400, mean of x is 10 and mean of y is 20, find the equation of regression lines of lines of y on x and x on y. So what are seen here? First of all, the variance of x, that means sigma x square is there, that is 2 to 5. So by square root we easily get sigma x, that is 2 to 5 is 15, and sigma y 400 equals to 20. Clear? And r value is 0.6, that is 0.60, and mean value, that is mean value of x series, that is 10, and mean value of y series, that is 20. So first we have to calculate what? One is byx and bxy. Okay, so byx, what is the formula? R into sigma y by sigma x, and r into here sigma x by sigma y. Clear? So just put the values. R value is 0.6 into sigma y is what? Sigma y is 20 and sigma x is 15, and here 0.6 into sigma x is 15, sigma y is 20. So in first case the value is 0.8, in second case the value is 0.45. Clear? Now we have to calculate the equation. First equation, that is y, equation of y, regression equation of y on x. So y minus y bar equals to byx and x minus x bar. And second case, regression equation on y. Okay, on y, that is x minus x bar bxy and y minus y. I have to write clearly, obviously. Regression equation of y on x and of x on y. Okay. So just put the values. In first case, y minus 20, because y bar is 20. Byx is what? Byx is 0.8. Clear? And x minus x bar, so x minus x bar is 10. So equation is what? That is y equals to 0.8x plus 12. Okay? This is the value, or this is the equation. In next case, x minus 10 and 0.45, here y minus 20. So x equals to 0.45y plus 1. Clear? Okay. first I have to check the values are right or wrong. Okay, so give me some time please. Okay, I was checking the values, these are right or wrong, so that's why I stopped the video. Okay, so here this is the equation of y related to x, and this is the equation of x related to y. And here in the problem there is no x values and y values by which it is possible to calculate the y, or it is possible to calculate x. So they want to want to say the equation only. So this is the actual answer, the equation of y and equation of x. Okay, so this is the actual solution of this problem. And in the next one, another problem I will discuss today. Also, after rubbing this, I discuss with you another problem. Okay, so let's start. There is a problem. Find the mean of x, the mean of y, the regression coefficients from the two regression equations. Okay, here the regression equations are there. Then you have learned the simultaneous equation in class 9, I think so. So by which this is the actual method by which first we have to calculate the x value and the y value. And how it is possible? You can you just see that 3x minus y equals to 0 and 4y minus 3x. So minus 3x plus 4y equals to 0. Clear? So by addition process the value is 4. 3y equals to 0. So y value is 0. Okay. So as y value is 0, by putting the value of y, okay, this is not 3x equals to y is very easy. So 3x equals to 0, x equals to 0. So value of y is 0, value of x is 0. Okay, so that means x bar is 0 and y bar is 0. Clear? So regression equation of x on y. Number 1. Regression equation of x on y. 3x minus y equals to 0 and 3x equals to y plus 0. Okay, then x equals to 1 by 3 y plus 0. Second regression equation of y on x, that is 4y minus 3x equals to 0. So 4y equals to 3x plus 0 and y equals to 3 by 4x plus 0. These are the two equations. Regression equation of x, that is this one, and regression equation of y on x, that is this one. Clear? Now we have to calculate dxy because here we have to find out the values of correlation coefficient also. So we have to calculate first one dxy, that is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is 0.333 and byx equals to 3 by 4. So value is 0.75. Clear? Now r equals to, first r square equals to bxy into byx. So r equals to root over of bxy into byx. Okay, by putting the values byx and byx 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. So here the value is 1 by 4. That means 0.25. Root over of 0.25 means 0.5 or half. Okay. So this is the R value, that is half. So it's very easy how to calculate R value from the equation. First we have to solve the x and y value. Then by putting or solving or simplifying, we will get the regression equation of x and regression equation of y. And after that, and it is very important to write here this in that way, or regression equation of x and regression equation of y, for getting the value of bxy and byx. If we didn't write in such a manner, so it's impossible to calculate the bxy and byx value. Clear? That's why first we have to write the equations in such way, then calculate the bxy and byx value, and after that calculate the R value. Clear? So here the video is completed, because regression equation or coefficient, you can say, that is a vast chapter, so I just splitted that into 3 parts, and it is the second part.